Let's review finding the area of a composite shape. So the first thing we want to do is identify what shapes we have within. That way we can think about how to find the area of each. So to start off here, we have a circle, and we see both parts of the half circle, right? Which would make a full circle. So we're going to want to find the area of a full circle. And we know, just as it states right here, I'm going to move this out of the way. The area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Remember, radius is the distance across half the circle. So we want to know what that distance is. So first of all, we know that this long distance here is 12. We know each of these is 3, which would mean that our diameter would be 12 minus 6, right? That would be the distance across this full circle. But we don't want that, right? We want the radius, which is half of that, which would mean the radius is equal to 3. All right, so if we know the radius, we can find the area of the circle. I'm just going to say area of a circle equals pi times radius squared, so pi times 3 squared. Remember, guys, squared does not mean times 2. It means a factor is repeated 2 times. So that means 3 times 3. We always multiply it by itself. And then we're going to do that times 3.14. So when we do 9 times 3.14, that would give us 28.26. All right, that is the area of our circle. We just determined all of that part. And now what we're left with is this rectangle, not a triangle. And we know that the area of a rectangle is base times height. So our base, that will be found on the bottom or the top, that's the distance across. So our base here, area of a rectangle, our base is 12. We can see that the distance across right here is 12. And our height, we can see that right here is 3. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. So our last step would just be to add those two areas together. 28.26 plus 36, so we do the math. And what we get is 64.26, and that would be feet squared. All right, hope that helped you.